Hello everyone. Learning is a continuous process, and as teachers also we learn and then we teach. Today I have learned a very simple thing of how to schedule a meeting on Google Meet using mobile. So let me share it. First and foremost, in order to schedule a meeting in the mobile, we need another app, which is the Google Calendar app. Once we have downloaded the Google Calendar app, we click on this plus sign, we go to event. Once we have gone to the event, we add a title. Say the title is Online Class 12C CS. Now what we see here is that in this particular area we get to see the email ID which is also associated with us. We will choose the email ID associated with Google Meet. Okay, now this is okay. This is the ID associated with Google Meet for me. Fine. What do we do here? If it's all day meeting or all day class, will obviously click on this, but it's not so. So we have to set the date and time. Let me set it. Okay. And time is 9 AM. Okay. Ending time it came as 10 AM. If I want to add people, I can add it from here, or later I can send the link. Then I'll click on add video conferencing. Google Meet is by default chosen. If you want to send a notification to the people who are added, you can send it from here if you are clicking on basically add notification. So 30 minutes or 1 hour or 1 day before, that notification will reach to the people you want to have your meeting with. I don't want it right now. I choose a color, any color I am choosing, say this. I can add a description if I want, and here. And you can also add an attachment. You can add an attachment from here. You can add a file if you want. And then finally we click on save. So once we have clicked on save, we will see that the schedule has been set. Now we go to our Google Meet and we swipe up, and right now it is not showing. We have to refresh it. So once I refreshed it, it is showing. Right? Now 2 are showing because 1 I was setting as a trial and the second right now I created. We can also go to Google Calendar and delete it. Okay, now if I want to send the link, I'll click on this and I can share the link from here with my students. So this is how we schedule a meeting using Google Meet and Google Calendar. Thank you for watching.